Hi there, this is Chef Eric. We're at the City of Hope here in Phoenix, and we're going to be making a nice and easy pumpkin soup. This is one of the recipes that was just added to the Cancer Fighters website. It's a very easy soup as it's in the recipe. The first things we're going to do is get a stainless steel pot, something with a heavier base if you have something. That way it helps reduce any burning or anything like that. You're going to add the portioned out butter, and then you're going to add your diced onion, and you're going to kind of cook these on medium heat until they get translucent, which means they kind of get a little bit clear and that whiteness kind of goes away a little bit. So why that's working and why we're getting our onions nice and translucent, I want to talk to you a little bit about the benefits of pumpkin. Not only is it kind of the comfort food of the season, it's also, pumpkins are considered a superfood. So it's a superfood due to the rich nutritional profile, which includes vitamins A, C, and E, lots of potassium, lots of fiber, and meanwhile, with all of those, it's still really low in calories. So that's why we like to cook with pumpkin this time of year. Not only is it good for you, it also has 90% water, which helps with hydration as well. So after your onions are nice and soft, you're going to add the remaining ingredients. So just canned pumpkin that you can find anywhere at a local store. The liquid for the chicken stock. So we use chicken stock. If you prefer to keep this a vegetarian option, you can use a nice roasted vegetable stock that you can find. I know Sprouts and some other places carry that. We have a blend of spices. We have nutmeg, cinnamon, and ground ginger. You're going to add the heavy cream. And you're going to add just a pinch of salt. And then you're going to put this back on the stove, cook it on low simmer for anywhere about 20 to 25 minutes. Stirring occasionally. You do, like I said, with the base, you don't want it to get too hot. So you're going to want to keep stirring it so the pumpkin doesn't stick to the bottom. So after you add your apple cider vinegar, which is going to bring a lot of flavor out, I like to add the same amount of spices that we added earlier, which is the ginger and the cinnamon and the nutmeg, because that will keep those spices a little bit fresh and it'll kind of keep that flavor come right out. And then your soup's basically done. All we do is we put it in a nice bowl. So when you finish, just go ahead and garnish with your toasted pumpkin seeds, a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, and you can kind of put as many on there as you want for a little bit of crunch and a little more texture. Well, I hope you enjoy this recipe, and I hope you try it at home. Once again, my name's Chef Eric, and I'm filming on behalf of the Cancer Fighters. And please look forward to any future videos coming out. Thank you.